Archangel Uriel is known as the angel of wisdom. He shines the light of God truth into the darkness of confusion. Uriel name means, God is my light, or fire of God. Other spellings of his name include Usual, Uriel, Suriel, Uziel. The great Uriel has an angelic energy color, red, which represents him and the work he performs. It is said that gold and yellow colors are also attributed to Uriel. Symbols of Archangel Uriel are a book or a scroll, both of which representing wisdom. Another symbol is an open hand holding a flame or the sun, which represent God truth. The Book of Enoch describes Uriel as one of 7 archangels who preside over the world. He warns the prophet Noah about the upcoming flood. In Enoch, chapters 19 and 21, Uriel reveals that the fallen angels who rebelled against God will be judged, and shows Enoch a vision of where they are bound until the infinite number of the days. In the Jewish and Christian Apocryphal, God sent Uriel to answer a series of questions that the prophet Ezra asks God. When answering Ezra questions, Uriel tells him that God has permitted him to describe signs about good and evil in the world, but will be still difficult for Ezra to understand from his limited human perspective. Uriel assists in resolving both family and societal conflicts, and in strengthening faith and spiritual perseverance. He is an archangel of utmost wisdom, who gave peoples alchemical knowledge. Uriel is called the Archangel of Salvation in Judeo-Christian books. Praying to Archangel Uriel, you can obtain intellectual insight, practical solutions, and creative abilities. As an angel of light, he enlightens the mind of humans with God glow, the truth. As an angel of fire, he ignites sincere and fervent faith in the hearts of humans, driving out all evil thoughts. According to rabbinic Jewish tradition, Uriel is the leader of the entire angelic host and gives entry to the underworld, appearing like a lion. He is one of the few archangels, outside of the Seraphim, to enter the direct presence of God. Uriel was the angel who checked doors for lamb blood during the plagues of Egypt. Midrash, Kabbalah, and Zohar believe that anyone who sees the flames of God altar will experience a change of heart and repent. Zohar also speak of how Uriel has a dual aspect, Uriel and Uriel. As Uriel, he is mercy; as Uriel, he is severity, this denoughing his capacity to destroy evil.